Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Thursday, June 4th, 2026. Let's take a look at the charts. I like to start with this one. This really says a lot. I would like to get rid of this descending channel top because it's kind of a noise factor now. It really is meaningless. If we were to test it, by that point in time, it'll either be matching or below the much more significant rising support at 354.65. And it was when testing this structure a couple of months ago, we'd mentioned as a go-long opportunity on a 3 to 5 week out to a 2 to 3 month basis, anticipating then a return to this sister formation, which we've been doing now, retesting for the last 3 or 4 weeks. The 449.28 formation consistent with still the descending channel top on the same exact chart at 448.95. So this is your short sell zone, 448.95 up to 449.28, that below which will keep 354.65 in reach over the next couple of months. Now, I don't have a signal per se, like I'm not necessarily expecting 354.65, but I do know that after testing this meaningful price ceiling, the path of least resistance, no pun intended, is to the downside. 354.65 in reach by the end of July or sooner. That sooner may come with recent developments, but this has been a bit of a challenge, of course. We had the settlement below this rising 2-month channel bottom basically on Monday. We rallied right back to it on Wednesday, and then on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday we pushed aggressively back above this structure. If you played the short side there during the day, you may have been stopped out at a loss. But 435.52 was not reached. I'm just going to go back to what I was saying yesterday once again, that if we push through 427.99 on an intraday basis Thursday, 435.52 should be considered in reach. That could be it for the day. But if we do close above 427.99, that would also be above Tuesday's high, which is significant in the short-term sense of things. It's significant in that it is the pullback low. It's above the high of the low. It's back above this channel. So, you've got a couple of reasons to appreciate the likelihood for follow-through buying as we move through the rest of the week and into next. If we close above 427.99, I do expect within, let's call it 1 to 3 days, this 445.70 descending channel top. Now, this structure contained the highs exactly a few weeks ago, and it is the same exact structure that we find on the weekly chart at 448.95, but we like to round up to the more significant weekly resistance levels. Talking downside, we are below 427.99, and yes, still holding to the low 380s as a 1 to 2 week target. There is a descending channel bottom there still at 384.10, so holding below this structure, and really, these are becoming so close. I'm talking 427.99 rising at an aggressive pace, and you got 445.70 is dropping. By next week, they converge. Later next week, they converge. And so it really is saying that holding below this narrowing range will keep 381.61 in reach over the next couple of weeks. I want to say 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, but I don't think it'll take 3 weeks. There is a descending channel bottom there at 384.10 as well. This, I think you can play the short side below 427.99 still, believe it or not, keeping this 384.10, 381.61 area in reach over the next couple of weeks. One of the confirmations for downside follow-through would be a settlement today below 415.78.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVDA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity.
Start your 2-week free trial and trade with clarity from day one.
If you're not short now, you could consider going short. I'm talking to the 1 to 2 week swing trader, anticipating the low 380s with a settlement below 415.78. I do think that sets us off on a more protracted sell-off as we move through next week. If we close today below 415.78, 381.61 in reach by the end of next week, part of a range that begins at 384.10 that can absorb selling not only on a weekly basis, but we could round up from here into later June. And downside, finally, closing below 381.61 does set up what I mentioned before as a kind of a 2 to 3 month possibility, closing below 381.61, and we do clearly indicate 354.65 within just another week or two, where we could bottom out through July and round up within a month or two back into what is now the upper 440s and dropping weekly. We could fill this wedge out, and closing outside of this wedge, I think, is our directional indicator into the fourth quarter, or at least through the third quarter. Closing above 48.95, 542.91 likely within 2 or 3 months. And I really don't want to say where 354.65 would take us if we settled below it, because I don't have it properly drawn, to be honest with you. But it would be down here, down yonder in the 220s, I believe it is. There's a channel bottom down there. But anyway, let's talk upside one more time, and that is to say that pushing or opening above 427.99 does signal 435.52 intraday, and closing above 427.99 does actually indicate another test of the 445.70 formation within 1 to 3 days. This is going to be an important pivot point through June, below which selling pressures can continue to build, above which buying pressures should yield higher trade one more time. 498.83 within 3 to 5 weeks, 542.91 within 2 to 3 months. That is all I have. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. I will be back tomorrow, of course, with Friday's Tesla report, and you have a great day.